Well, harvesting continues, and our combine is full. So I'm going to go, and actually I can go this way because I did not start the combine to work in any way, shape, or form. So it will be a-okay. Oh, face full of corn. Oh, face full of combine. Okay, so we'll go back to the truck because we definitely need to move the truck out of the way once the combine is empty. Okay, so we've got a bit to go here. Now I don't know why I did corn on this field, and I think I've done some more corn on my new fields. Am I right or not? Yes, I did corn and corn. I don't know why my other field is ready, so we're gonna put I don't know why I've done, because I think I've got like corn. So oh, we got soybeans galore. Where's corn? Got zero corn? Okay. We got soybeans. Uh, to in June. Where are we? April. So next month is going to be the best time to sell. Okay. So we're going to have to... Okay. I'm trying to figure out how I want to do this. And I think we're going to continue with this side, and then we'll come back and worry about that side later. Okay. So we've got ourselves... What's... Okay, so that's... Where's my other combine? Okay, we got this truck. Got that truck. Oh, there you are. I was gonna say, where is my other combine? So don't I have anything else ready to harvest? No. No, and since we don't, what I want to do is... We've had this tractor for quite a long time. And since we got the money, and it'll be one of the series where we have the cash to do it, might as well upgrade it to the latest case. I think it's about $1 million to buy the case, but that's fine. I have downloaded a mod where it allows the animals to distribute whatever they produce, so milk or wool or whatever. It distributes it. Now I've just enabled it, and I probably should show you what I'm talking about. So when you go into the animals, it gives you an option to distribute. Now I don't know what import does. If anyone knows what import does, feel free to let me know. So that way I am assuming that what it means is that wool will go to wool and so on and so on. Now wool will go to the spinnery, I meant to say. You knew that, didn't you? So then I won't have to keep coming to unload and load, and then take the wool to spinnery and so on and so on. So, oh, hang on, no, you need to go closer, I think. Now, what are we going to use this tractor on? I honestly don't know. I mean, you know, it itself, it's a beastly looking tractor. I like this tractor. You have to admit that it is a fantastic looking tractor. I mean, look at it. From... Yep. How fast does it go? 43. That's fine. I think what I'm going to do, since we've got our other tractor, the Versatile, that is going to be utilized as a plow tractor, and we have just finished harvesting, harvesting the field where we had the soybeans. I thought might as well get our truck going there, put some lime down, because I'm pretty sure we're going to be needing some lime placed down, and this will be the tractor to do what? Surely it can't just be on the rollers. I don't know. Let me know. Let me know what you think. What should this tractor be used for? I mean, we could definitely use it on the rollers. I haven't really been... Oh, face full of truck. Oh, you got fertilizer in here. Well, I'm pretty sure that we're going to need some fertilization done on that field over here. I'm trying to think whether I should change that to a mulcher. You know what? Let's just go have a look. What? I don't need to go all the way there to have a look. I can just look in here. Boom. So this is the field that I need to look at. Okay, so I need to buy all of them. Oh, hang on. I don't get... Okay. I now understand. I don't get the whole field. I get whatever field that's part of. So this is not that cheap as what I would have assumed. I'm like, wow, that's cheap. Okay. So we're not too bad. Nitrogen is okay. Wow, the grass is doing horrible. Look at it. It's like, whoa. Okay, so what we'll do is I'll go and get this filled in. Now I'm just gonna set the tractor, the course blade to do this. Even though this is an awesome looking truck. Does it actually do anything? No, it does not. I wonder why it doesn't do anything. It may have something to do with the fact that it may need plowing. Does it need to be plowed? Okay, that does. You know what? Let's just... Okay, let's get closer. We just got this tractor, so might as well put him to work straight away, hey? I'm not quite sure if this is a mulcher or is a field roller down. I didn't even look. Field roller. And I don't know why my workshop thing disappeared. Oh, please tell me that I still have it. Oh, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Okay. Now, I'm not quite sure how far you have to go and all that sort of stuff, but okay, paint, customize, fill roller, grass roller, mulcher. And let's just, we'll make it that color when it's mulcher. Doesn't let me paint it anyway. Okay, so let's get it done. I mean, new tractor and kind of new equipment, because we haven't really used the mulcher or the roller that much. We've just been planting and replanting and planting and replanting. So I'm curious to see now if once I move all that stuff from there, if you'll automatically be respawn type of thing into okay. Alright, well, from that point of view it does something. Mulched. Okay, so it mulches it. So whether there's actually a benefit because I'm using precision farming or not, I don't know. But let's clean up the screen. Hey, we got, like I said, we have a new tractor. We need to give it some work. And this looks like fantastic work for it. Anyway, we'll get a bit of a time lapse going. Hopefully you're enjoying, you know, this style where, you know, you get the new equipment. Oh, it's going to hit the trees, going to hit the trees. No. And you get to see it. Our olives are not yet working. They're not doing anything. I'm not quite sure. I completely forgot. And maybe you can help me. Am I supposed to fertilize the olives, the olive trees? I don't know. Anyway, let's get the time lapse going. Okay, so now we've got a few different things happening at the same time. So I'm hoping that the roller, the cultivator, and the lime spreader, I suppose, will not start smashing into each other as they go along. So what's the speed of these guys? 15, the other one's gone 25. So I would assume that it means that it should have no problems whatsoever in dealing with this. I was going to do the, as you can see, I did already cultivate a little bit. I was going to do the cultivating first and then add the lime on top, but then I thought, you know what, no, let's just do it the other way. Normally you would work the lime in, I think, from a farmer's perspective. Just keep cleaning your track. I love the instant wash mod. So yeah, at least this way it looks a little bit more, well, I'm hoping it looks a little bit more realistic, but from what I think that's what they do. I know a lot of farmers put whatever they put on top, and then they put like a shallow cultivator on top of it, at least from the farmers that I saw. Now, I'm not sure if that applies in every single scenario or just in some scenarios. So, yeah, I suppose we'll find out, won't we? Anyway, I think this episode was long enough until now. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I will let these guys obviously do their work. Hopefully they won't get stuck into each other. And hopefully when next episode we will start to plant something. Now, like I said, this side of the map most likely just end up being wheat and so on, that type of seeds that we plant in here, or that like soybeans and stuff like that. Anyway, have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you and your family, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.